the bell housing still has to go down lower. I'm going to have to cut out the aluminum. Look, no straps. The pump didn't work out. I had mounted it horizontal or drilled for it horizontal. That didn't work. And kind of easy motor mounts to make. Ready to give it a try. It came with a new for the machine radiator. I like the radiator that was in the generator a lot better if I can make it fit. I think this is about as good as it's going to get. Bunch of cut and trim and cut and trim. I don't have a hood, so I don't have to worry about it hitting the hood. I'll have to make something. That's about as good as that gets. Bending up some 3/4 stainless tubing for the cooling system with the Parker 412. This thing does a wonderful job. Heavy wall stainless steel, DOM. It don't matter. It's going to be the lower radiator hose hack. I had taken the fuel cylinder out, hoping to realign it a little better position for fuel lines and going the exact opposite, but you couldn't. It all works though. I actually have the low fuel light hooked up, and the ohms for the gauge works. I might put that on the left hand side console. There's a nice bracket for the lights, but how do you make that work?